I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the external factors, check Codium server status and any maintenance notices. Then clear the app cache and force stop the game so temporary files reset. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of free space. Low storage causes hung loads. If possible, switch networks immediately, try Wi-Fi then mobile data. Changing connection often forces a fresh handshake and bypasses stalled routing. Once done, relaunch briefly to see if the loading screen advances. Once the basic steps didn't solve it, focus on network and account layers. Reset network settings or toggle airplane mode for about 30 seconds to refresh DNS and sockets. Log out of your Codium account and back in, verifying the linked platform credentials so session tokens renew. Make sure the game is up to date. If an update stalls, uninstall then reinstall to replace corrupted files. While reinstalling, remove leftover folders and check version numbers so you don't keep a broken build. Finish by isolating the issue. Try launching Codium on another device or use a temporary guest account to determine if the problem is device or account specific. Close background apps, free RAM, and disable low power mode because throttling can freeze loading processes. If the loading screen persists, collect logs, note your device model, OS version, and exact steps you took. Then contact support with that information so they can reproduce the problem. This targeted report speeds up a fix far more than vague descriptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.